Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Shopify store with Debutify theme. So essentially, I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for a Shopify store and grab the amazing temporary offer, install the Debutify theme. I'm going to walk you through the homepage setup, enhancing the product pages, and so much more. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. And starting with why Debutify stands out. There are a ton of themes and tools out there, so I specifically go with Debutify. And to answer that question, there are a few major reasons. It's an all-in-one solution perfect for any e-commerce business model. Most other themes only focus on a narrow niche. It's packed with features like reviews, galleries, bundles, so you avoid paying for extra applications. It's also customizable design while still being easy to use, even for total beginners. So overall, Debutify positions your store for maximum conversions and revenue right out of the gate. And now let's get hands-on. So before installing Debutify, the first step is signing up for a Shopify store if you haven't already. This will become the foundation for your e-commerce business. And luckily, Shopify is currently offering an incredible deal for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. And this lets you kickstart your store essentially risk-free to see if your idea takes off or not. So if you want to claim this offer, use the special link in our description down below. And once you've activated your discounted Shopify store, we can set up the crucial second step. And the second step would be to supercharge our new Shopify store by installing Debutify. And of course, you can start using Debutify 100% for free for 2 full weeks using the link in our description box down below before making any commitment with memberships. And the process to install Debutify is that we want to sign up at Debutify's main website with your email, validate via the confirmation link that they will send, and then on the next screen, press Get Theme to access the theme downloader, and then you will be redirected to download the latest theme version on your computer. Go back to Shopify and navigate to Online Store and then Themes. Click Add Theme and upload the Debutify zip that you just downloaded. And finally, you want to publish Debutify live on your storefront. And just like that, we have our powerful theme installed and ready for tuning. And the next step would be to configure the homepage. We can leverage Debutify's built-in customization options to create the optimal homepage layout and visitor flow for conversions. Let me go over the most crucial sections to focus on. We have setting up the header, as the upper header is one of the first things that customers see, so making it visually consistent with your brand is key. And a few quick customizations would be to upload your logo. So adjust sizing to fit perfectly. There is the inverted version, as you can provide alternative white logo for dark backgrounds, and the mobile, as you have to double check it's optimized for smaller screens. Getting the header pinned down goes a long way in making your store look more professional. Another effective way to catch visitors' eyes right off the bat is by implementing a visually striking slideshow or banner. So you can display 3 to 5 images or slides to showcase key products, models using products, lifestyle imagery, etc. and overlay text on images to convey concise messaging. So this prime real estate can engage visitors and direct them to key product offerings that you want to highlight. Also, carefully curate featured products. On most e-commerce sites, the products themselves are the main event. So displaying your best sellers prominently is crucial. For the featured products section, select 2 to 4 of your absolute top-ranked items to showcase. Ensure imagery, titles, and descriptions are enticing. Link images and titles directly to respective product pages. Giving visitors a peek at your most popular product offerings helps anchor their interests. For secondary product spotlights, combining visual product imagery with descriptive text in a clean format works very well. Some pointers here are to pick 1 to 3 complementary products to highlight, use eye-catching product photos to draw attention, and to keep your text brief but compelling, focus on the product benefits, and to include clear calls to action to browse the products. And now that we know how to optimize the homepage pretty well, let's go ahead and craft a killer product page, the actual template that convert visitors into consumers. And luckily, Debutify bakes in a robust set of custom elements specifically to maximize product page performance. First and foremost, you want to establish credibility and trust by deploying components such as verified customer reviews. You include star ratings and feedback on the products. You can include comparison tools to effortlessly contrast the product variants. Media Gallery is another great tool that you can showcase imagery, demo videos, and all of that. And the brand story, as you want to share founding narrative and mission. Leaning on social proof and authority is absolutely vital to overcoming skepticism. And lastly, you can directly boost conversions at checkout with conversion maximizers like trust badges, countdown timers, smart cart, and exit intent. Moving beyond the product page, overtly connecting visitors with checkout levers is key. And with this top to bottom blueprint from overall homepage layout to product page conversions, Debutify truly equips any merchant to architect a high-performing, revenue-driving online store catered to their specific offerings. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.